Have you ever wondered what the everyday objects around you look like up close? Prepare to be amazed, because today, we're taking a journey into the microscopic world to reveal the shocking truth hiding in plain sight. Using the power of the microscope, we'll magnify common items to unveil details you've never imagined. First up, let's examine a humble piece of paper. To the naked eye, it appears smooth. But under the microscope, we see a chaotic landscape of intertwined fibers. These cellulose fibers, derived from wood pulp, create the texture and strength of the paper. You'll also notice the tiny gaps and spaces between the fibers, which is why paper absorbs liquid so readily. Next, let's take a look at a strand of human hair. At high magnification, you can see the overlapping scales of the cuticle, which protect the inner cortex. The cuticle scales give hair its texture and can reveal damage from styling or chemical treatments. This close-up view provides insight into the health and condition of your hair, highlighting the importance of proper care. Now let's explore a grain of table salt. What seems like a simple uniform crystal to the eye transforms into a perfect cube under the microscope. The salt crystal's precise geometric structure is a testament to the orderly arrangement of sodium and chloride ions. This structured form is crucial for the salt's function as a flavor enhancer and preservative. Let's move on to the world of textiles. A piece of fabric, like a cotton shirt, reveals its complex weave when magnified. You'll see the individual fibers that make up the yarn, their twisted structure adding strength and flexibility. The tiny spaces between the fibers allow air to pass through, contributing to the fabric's breathability and comfort. Finally, let's investigate the surface of a human fingerprint. The unique ridges and patterns of your fingerprints are clearly visible under magnification. These intricate details are what make each fingerprint unique, used for identification. These patterns are formed during fetal development, providing a distinctive personal identifier. So the next time you look at these everyday objects, remember the hidden wonders that lie within. The microscopic world is full of surprises, reminding us that even the most ordinary things have extraordinary details when examined closely. The microscopic world offers a new perspective on the things we often take for granted.